Picture this: two small bean-shaped organs, the unsung heroes of your body, working tirelessly to filter waste and toxins. Yes, we're talking about your kidneys. These stalwart organs, your kidneys, play a vital role in maintaining your overall health. They regulate your body's fluid levels, filter out chemicals and waste from your blood, and even stimulate the production of red blood cells. But when these silent warriors falter, the effects can be far-reaching and detrimental. Now, wouldn't you want to do everything you can to keep these silent heroes in top shape? Ever wondered what could possibly harm these powerful filters of your body? Let's dive into that. Our kidneys, these remarkable bean-shaped organs, can sometimes fall prey to certain health conditions and lifestyle choices. One of the prime culprits is high blood pressure. When pressure in your blood vessels is consistently too high, it can overwork your kidneys, leading to damage. Next on the list, we have diabetes. Elevated blood sugar levels can cause harm to the tiny vessels in your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste from your blood. Lastly, let's not forget about our lifestyle choices. Unhealthy habits like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and a diet high in processed and fatty foods can also wreak havoc on these vital organs. So, in a nutshell, our kidneys are often fighting a battle against these common yet potent adversaries. Now that we know the villains of our story, it's time to introduce the superheroes. What if I told you that your kitchen holds the secret to healthy kidneys? Yes, you heard it right. Your kitchen, with its colorful array of fruits, vegetables, and proteins, could be your kidney's best ally. Let's start with the humble apple. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it's not just a catchy phrase. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, apples are excellent for reducing inflammation and cholesterol, two factors that can put a strain on your kidneys. Next, let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. The list goes on. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been found to protect the kidneys from damage. Plus, they're a delicious addition to your breakfast cereal or a refreshing afternoon snack. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. They can help to reduce uric acid levels, which is a common cause of kidney stress. And who can resist a bowl of fresh, juicy cherries? Moving on to vegetables, bell peppers are a fantastic choice for kidney health. They're low in potassium, which is important for those with kidney issues, and high in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as fiber. They add a delightful crunch and vibrant color to any dish. Now let's take a dip in the ocean. Fish, particularly those high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, mackerel, and albacore tuna, are excellent for kidney health. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation and can lower blood pressure, taking some of the pressure off your kidneys. These foods aren't just tasty, they're also kidneys' best friends. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include these kidney-friendly foods. Your kidneys will thank you, and you'll be taking a delicious step towards better health. So let's raise a glass, of water of course, to our kidneys and to the foods that keep them happy and healthy. These foods aren't just tasty, they're also kidneys' best friends. Science has a knack for uncovering the unknown, and it certainly hasn't left our kidneys behind. Allow me to share some recent research findings that shed new light on kidney health and nutrition. A fascinating study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition highlighted the power of a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. It's a bit like treating our kidneys to a 5-star meal, each ingredient meticulously chosen for its healing properties. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, a culprit behind kidney damage. Lean proteins, on the other hand, are the building blocks our kidneys need to repair themselves. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the world of fruits. Apples, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries were found to be particularly beneficial for kidney health. These fruits are brimming with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, acting as a formidable defense against kidney damage. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, consider an apple instead of that bag of chips. Your kidneys will thank you. But what about vegetables? Well, red bell peppers, garlic, cabbage, and onions have been given a thumbs up by scientists. These veggies have a high antioxidant content, and they're also low in potassium, which is essential for those with kidney problems. And then there's the lean proteins. Fish, egg whites, and chicken breast are not just good for building muscles. They're also crucial for repairing damaged kidney tissue. In a nutshell, The research suggests that a diet rich in these foods could help repair kidney damage. It's a bit like giving your kidneys a spa day, but with food. And who wouldn't want that? To wrap up this scientific journey, let's remember that all this research points to one thing. Food is not just about satisfying our taste buds. It plays a vital role in our health, more specifically, our kidney health. So next time you're planning your meal, think about treating your kidneys to a feast of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Science has spoken, and it's clear, food is medicine for our kidneys. Imagine a future where your kidneys are as fit as a fiddle, thanks to a few simple dietary changes. It's not a distant dream, but a very achievable reality. You see, the food you eat is not just about satisfying your taste buds, it's a powerful tool that can shape your health and well-being. And yes, that includes your kidneys. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your diet isn't a monumental task. It's about making conscious choices. It's about swapping that bag of salty chips for a bowl of juicy red grapes. It's about choosing fish over a greasy burger. It's about adding a healthy dose of cabbage to your salad plate. Simple changes, but ones that can make a world of difference. These foods, rich in antioxidants and low in sodium, potassium and phosphorus, can do wonders for your kidneys. They help in reducing inflammation, maintaining fluid balance, and filtering waste from your blood. But their benefits extend beyond just your kidneys. They contribute to your overall health, boosting your immune system, improving your heart health, and even helping maintain a healthy weight. Remember, your kidneys are the silent heroes of your body, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. They deserve a supporting cast that's just as heroic. So, fill your plate with kidney-friendly foods and give them the backup they need. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards healthier kidneys?